Hello, today I would like to present you our solution for the hackathon named Wendy, an AI chatbot. Our team, Vladislav Artykhov and German Bogdasaryan. Let's first dive into the problem of mental health. There exist several issues that bother people much. First one is loneliness. The second is lack of deep personal communications between people. Third, and most often, is the fear of social interaction and self-exposure to friends or other people. And finally, no instant availability of professional mental health support when it's needed. As for the solution, we have defined an AI chatbot named Wendy that acts as a supportive character and shows empathy, acceptance, and encouragement. There were several faced challenges. First one is how to make the interaction engaging and long-term. Second is the fact that the conversation must be proactive, meaning that AI must also be the one who first initiates the conversation. Third is the deeper personalization of the conversations. We'd also like to integrate the seamless access to external mental health assistance. And last, users' privacy and their personal data security is of most importance. For the detailed functionality, first, for the communication, we use Telegram chat, as this is one of the most popular messaging systems. For the security, we have encrypted all the messages stored in the database via advanced encryption standard. Next, for additional functionalities, we have used Telegram Web App API to create an application that does the following. First, provides the system of periodic and occasional notifications, provides questionnaires for personalization and self-reporting, and also gives context of local mental health affiliations. Apart, we have implemented our own advanced chat history crafting for better communications. Let's have a look at this crafting algorithm in detail. On the left, you can see the list of messages stored in the database, sorted from oldest to newest. The chat history is basically a sliding window over this sequence of messages. It's being divided of some strategy into two parts. First part is the summarized messages. These are the basic messages condensed by the LLM and stored in the database to preserve the most details. And the second set is the normal messages that come into the prompt as is. This basically allows us to insert more context and information about the person and previous conversation to make the following dialogues more in-depth. For the research insights, the most important part is the prompting strategies. Once the conversation is being initiated between the user and the LLM, there isn't much information about how the LLM should react and respond to user messages. That's why we have used a few-shot prompting strategy to initiate the first starting message. And for the instructions, we have used emotional prompting, which is being one of the strategies that increases the quality of responses. Here you can see a small example in the center. For the project features, one of the most important is basically conversation with a personalized AI in the Telegram chat. Also the custom daily and occasional notification setup with the ability to change time and date. User questionnaire for better personalization. This questionnaire contains the fields for bio, name, preferred name, birthday, and so on. Also in the integration of service inside the web app, for example, bake and children's depression inventories. And last, the mood-based suggestion for local external professional help and support. For the technologies, we have used the following stack. Having lack of time during the hackathon, the main language was TypeScript, as it provides types and delivers a very rapid development. For the bot API, we have used Telegram, as this is the most popular and advanced API available. For working with LLMs, we have used OpenAI. For working with the database, it was Postgres plus or RAM named Prisma. For containerization, we used Docker, and for rapid unit testing, it was vtest. For the next features and the upcoming roadmap, we have defined the following points. First one is to enhance and advance the notification system. We would like to notify a user with the congratulations about his birthday, about New Year, Christmas, and any other upcoming events in his country. Apart, we would also like to implement the admin panel in order to have an ability to modify prompts and extend context of the LLM for all the users. Another point is the fact that we have created our LLM communication model being standalone and separate from the rest of the code, which means that it can be delivered as a library and used by other parties as well. Looking beyond the mental health issue, the model that we have created is generic enough to be used for the team and personal brainstorming partner, having the chat coordinator in a group, or having a language learning partner, to name a few. And lastly, we would also like to engage into the research and investigate the qualities of different history crafting strategies, as it remains an open question for us and for the community in general. Thank you for your time, and this is our solution.